All right, here is a quick market update for you. So currently Nifty is range bound in that 820. One zone we had given you was that 820 zone, and it was not able to go above that. So there is a currently something that we traders like to call a rising wedge. And what's happening in this is we are in this range. So if we are closing below this rising wedge, so I would say if we close below 800 to be on the round side, we can even get a fall to 750 on an intraday basis. That fall is possible. I would suggest all the traders to be on intraday positions and not hold anything overnight. This can give you some kind of very good. The reason we're telling you to not hold overnight is because of the elections overhang. It can have some problem. The disclaimer is, please, when you take these trades, they are all, use your own analysis. This is our personal education and personal analysis, our personal own views. So any closing below this trend line on the 5-minute chart can give you a very good fall till 750 also. At the same time, if you are closing above this region of 835 to 840, any closing above this region can give you a good momentum on the upside also. So do maintain your intraday stance and take fresh position every single day. The same is the case with Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty sustaining the 20 moving average on a 5-minute chart. So any closing below the 20 MA can give you a momentum towards the lower Bollinger Band, and below the lower Bollinger Band can give you a good fall. So you can expect a 150 point movement in Bank Nifty, and you can expect some good movement in Nifty also. But please do make sure, let your candles close below these trend lines, either on the upside or downside, then trade. Currently, we are in the no trading zone. So just to reiterate, below 800, we can sell on a closing basis. Above 835, we can buy on a closing basis. Thank you.